So our next benefit is you get Markel Law included, which if you were to buy it as a package yourself, it would cost you £189 a year, but it's included in VIP membership. So in summary, you get tax and VAT advice from ex-HMRC specialists. There's a 24/7 helpline with real solicitors. Um, you can get help with stuff like unpaid invoices, contracts, hiring, if you've got concerns about VAT. Plus, there's access to a full business hub with legal templates and documents. So, just to give you an idea, most solicitors, if you call them and need some advice, you can be paying £100 an hour. So it's a really great benefit. And let me quickly whiz through what it's all about. So, like I say, it's 24/7 access to qualified solicitors. They help you before it turns into big problems. There's a number of my members already used Markel Law. They've got over 40 qualified solicitors, minimum 7 years experience. Like I say, it covers employment disputes, contracts, health and safety, IR 35 and grievances, CIS questions, that kind of stuff. And it's just good to know you've got someone to help you before you get into any legal trouble. So there's a tax and VAT helpline, two specific ones. Direct access to qualified tax experts. I think we're all good at our business, as in getting work in, but not necessarily the business side of it. So this really helps as well. Talk about VAT thresholds because that's constantly changing. Sort out issues like late filing penalties, CIS queries, and get it all sorted and take that worry from running a business. There's real issues which have been resolved here. Again, not sure about VAT problems. Customer hasn't paid you. What's the next step? All this information's in there. Concerned about subcontractor contracts, IR 35 rules. All these are answered for you. And it can literally save you hundreds and protect you from losing thousands. Normal solicitors, like I said, charge £100 an hour. It's included in here. Any tax mistakes, you can speak to someone, get it resolved. One debt recovery letter can help you collect an unpaid job money. It's invaluable. There's a business hub as well, which is amazing. You've got all your letters, your contracts, your T's and C's, late payment letters, access to a hub with all this in it as well. So it's a fantastic benefit, which is one of those which I believe is essential.